Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Liliana from Sugarella Sweets. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate a glitter slime. You can also check out at the end of my video how to do this super cute unicorn vapor jar. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. Fill in a cute container with the glitter slime that you have just created and then give it away as a gift vapor for your unicorn party, for example. If you want to learn how to recreate these super cute jars, simply have a look at the end of my video for the link. Thanks for watching and see you next week.